morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here the follow-up review of the one of the newest smartwatch from DT91. So we have here the DT91 Smartwatch. The last video we check on its design as well as its specs. So this time we're going to check on its menus. Okay, remember we already tackled or have a feature review the display and menus of this one. You remember this one? The #1 DT86 smartwatch. It is a female smartwatch. Okay, women's smartwatch with a elegant look and design. If you still haven't seen the video, please check out our video on this YouTube channel. Okay, and of course subscribe. Okay, so we have here, going back to the DT91 smartwatch. As you can see here, very elegant design. Okay, so we have here brush finish with a glossy metal bezel. Okay, it looks beautiful, it looks elegant, and it comes with a silicone strap and a free leather dual leather and silicone strap on the bottom part. Okay, so if you want to wear it for office, okay, so you can change it because it's easy to change. Here as you can see, we have a quick release pin here. Okay, so as we promised, we're going to check the UI, the menus and features of the #1 DT91 smartwatch. Again, we have here the black color. Again, this is smartwatch specifications. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. Okay, so let's start and let's remove this sticker here. Okay, already fully charged it. So we expect it to have a very slim bezel here. Okay, a framing bezel inside the screen. So let's turn it on. Okay, so I think this is the power on button. Let's see. Okay, so it's activated. Welcome. Okay, so very obvious we have a speaker. So let's pick the English language, and it's already loaded. I think so. Okay, beautiful screen, sharp display, and it is full circular here. And we have this metal bezel, and we still have a framing there inside, but it is very slim. It's not noticeable. Okay, let's check. Okay, so we have the power and the battery. Okay, so from here to the right, so we have the information. Okay, and from left to right, so okay, so it's trying to connect to your Bluetooth phone, or to the Bluetooth of your phone. Okay, for the watch face here, we expected that if long press change the watch face. Okay, we have several here preloaded watch faces, 3, 4, 5, 6, at least 6 preloaded watch faces. Let's pick this one. Okay, and for the features, okay, so we have a dialer. Okay, somewhat similar to the Mi Bro Air. We really love that one, the Mi Bro Air, the dialer options. Okay, we'll see. Okay, health management. Okay, what option do we have here? Again, pedometer. It's a bit buggy, or seems that it's sluggy. We'll see. Go back. How about this one? What's the function of this? Just a home button here. Sleep monitor. Okay, it's a different option. Okay, it's different. It's not the rotating dial that we expect. Okay, we'll see if we can change the menu here. Sports exercise. You have calendar, music. Okay, sport exercise. Okay, we have a calculator here, call logs, flashlight, language notifier, health management. Okay, what else do we have here? So seems like we have a fixed menu here. Okay, okay, let's go to the sports mode. Where's the sports mode? We also have a Siri with its speaker and mic. So this has a built-in mic. Oh, so that's the sports mode. We only have one sports mode here. Maybe in the support app we have. Okay, history. Okay, what else? So device name, smartwatch address. Okay, power on. The QR code here. So it's not the same rotating dial that we expect. Okay, but anyway, it's okay. So we have the battery, water reminder, I think, the automatic step counter. Okay, anyways, we have a lot of options here. So the entire reminder here, calendar, we have the mic. Please check your Bluetooth connection for the Siri. That is the weather. We have the calculator, heart rate. Okay, so it can calculate for your blood pressure, heart rate. We even have an ECG and blood oxygen monitoring. Okay, I guess this is for the ECG. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, so we have here the sensor. Okay, let's check for the heart rate. Does it work? So start. So it is working. I like the UI of the DT86 and the DT100 compared to this one. Anyway, still it's a good smartwatch in terms of design. Okay, but I'm not really a fan of its operating system here, especially the UI. Okay, so what else do we have? Motion, music. Okay, we have the Bluetooth call here. I think this is Bluetooth call. We also have the remote camera control. I guess this is the phone log or contact list. So this is the motion, wake up gesture. You can set it here. And so far that's it. Okay, so you see the options, the menu options of the No.1 DT91 Smartwatch. Very simple UI. Okay, with a circular dial, I must say. It's not a rotating dial. Sort of. It's a rotating dial, can say that. But it's not a good version of a rotating dial. Still, it's okay. You have a lot of options here. And if we connect it to the support app, I think there will be a lot of options, especially for the watch faces and for the sports mode. Here on its sports mode, we have a, I think only one here, fix. Let me see. Where's that option? Here. Okay. So So let's see what are the results here. So it is running. Okay, it's only running here, as you can see on the logo. Maybe it can be changed on the support app. Okay, when we connect it to the Bluetooth smartwatch or smartphone and connect it to the support app. Okay, so what is the support app anyways? Let's check. Okay, so we have here the user manual, and let's check. Again, watch out for our third video. Okay, for the number one DT86 for the support app installation. So we have here the QR code. Okay, let's focus. And we have the Wear Pro. Okay, so it is a new app for DT91 Smartwatch. So already demoed one in how to connect it. Just check it on our YouTube channel. Okay, so it is using the Wear Pro app. Hopefully we have a section there for additional sports mode as well as watch faces. Again, this is your number one DT91 Smartwatch. Okay, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, your number one DT91 smartwatch. Goodbye.